What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back. Another delicious morning for all of us, the Terra Luna Classic holders. So, question: why is the price of Terra Luna Classic LUNC dropping, falling, not crashing, but falling consistently, as we can see here in the picture? Well, there's a clear answer. Number one, the pump and dump. But early today, we received the news about the CPI index, consumer price index, and inflation, right? And that is affecting equities, that is affecting crypto, and of course, that is affecting the price of Terra Luna Classic by giving us another, I will say, lower price that we've seen in the, since June 2022, right about here at 408. Good news is that the price dropped and immediately is coming back up, which is great. That's what we're seeing in Bitcoin. That's what we're seeing in other different altcoins. So what does that mean? That we had a drop, panic sell, people just kind of saying, oh, the news, yeah, let's go ahead and sell, try to flip it, make some trades and come on top, which makes absolute total sense. So let's go ahead and discuss this one by the end of this video. Go ahead and smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells for more updates like this one. Because, let me go ahead and explain this one very quickly on the charts because I love it, right? We have about 6 pumps, as you clearly can tell in the 4-hour view. Then we have roughly 3 dumps. I will say we can really see and consider these 3 dumps in the price of Terra Luna Classic. And now we're seeing another one because of the news related when it comes to this report that we're going to be having every single month till the end of 2022 and beyond. So I was doing an analysis yesterday live. If you were there, thank you for joining us. And basically, it seems that every single time we have a release of the CPI number, we've had it in June 10, we had it in May 11, I believe it was June 11 and May 10, somewhere there. The price of crypto drops, but it doesn't drop the day that it was released. It drops the following days. So I just want to make you aware that if you see the price of Bitcoin right now, which is, bouncing back pretty nicely, if you see them drop, then don't be surprised. Let me go ahead and show you really quickly. Here it is. You see, guys, these 2 arrows right here, this one and this one. Well, those are the days that the report was released, the CPI number, and we can clearly see how the price went down right after. So this report has been released right now, and positively, just in the last few hours, we're seeing how the price of Bitcoin is coming up. Now, why is it relevant to talk about the price of Bitcoin? Because of course it's relevant. Come on. I know LUNC doesn't have the best relationship with Bitcoin. As we know, this one is very risky and it's kind of like a meme coin or so. But at the end of the day, it is important to analyze and consider Bitcoin price as the highest and the most important cryptocurrency per se. But for LUNC, everybody, absolutely, we know about the burn news, about Binance, about possible trillions to be burned and the 1.2% tax burn and all this type of proposals. It's good, but in a more price prediction analysis, I can tell you that if we continue to see lower prices in the macro for crypto, definitely I'm forecasting for LUNC easily reaching to that 100% retracement since June 26th. So basically, this will be a punch in the gut for a lot of LUNC holders, not because the project is per se not moving positively when it comes to development, but it's just the price. People are selling. At this time, it doesn't look like whales are selling very much, but it's just the fear that it's brought by the release of this report index just a couple hours ago, which is pretty exciting. At the end of the day, what I believe, everybody, is that because, I don't know if you noticed, but nationally here in the United States, the price of gas is coming down. So we can all assume that hopefully for the number in July that is going to be released in August, the index will drop from 9.1% to hopefully 8% or less. Let me show you this one. When you get a raise, but inflation is 5.4, 6.2, 6.8, 8.5, and so on. Finally, 9.1%. So I hope that July number that will be released in August, I hope is much less, because if that's the case, that will be so bullish for all the investors in all the markets, equities and cryptocurrency. I don't think, hopefully it's going to be higher, because if it is and we reach 10, that will be insane. And the Fed is going to be, going super wild by increasing so many rates and all of that. I think you can understand that. But I think because like food and everything is still high, but thankfully gas prices are coming down. If that keeps going till the end of July, we made it, and that number will be lower, and hopefully fear will be a little bit much higher when it comes to greed. And it is very important to analyze everything, right? One of the things that we're seeing, I believe a week ago or so, we were looking at 960, 950 billion market cap, 100 billion gone, right? Completely gone, liquidated. And you just take a look at what people kind of like are preparing for, because now with this CPI, I mean, a lot of people are probably going to say we are in a recession, technical recession, but it is insane, right? When it comes to the burning, my friends, 1.2 billion, definitely growing. I'm seeing a lot of people burning 10,000. What do we have here? 435,000 burned, 167,000. This happened on the 12th yesterday. We have 15. Oh, wow. Guys, is this 15 million? 1, 2. Yeah, it is 15 million. Somebody burned 15 million LUNC. Let's go, everybody. That's awesome. 15 million burned. That's not bad. 100,000, 677,000. So yesterday was a big day, a big burn day for LUNC. Wow, that 15 million burn, that's really special. So you see, there's a lot of people burning. So I think gotta take it slowly but surely, my friends. Slowly but surely. In a way, I am forecasting this one first, lower prices to finally start seeing some, new highs. I know how oftentimes the hype is extreme and people are telling you that this is going to be $1 or so, or USD is going to regain its peg. There's, of course, many different factors at the end of the day. We don't know the future, but if we kind of are looking at the best case scenario for LUNC and Terra Luna, I think, of course, we can all agree on burning trillions of LUNC, and that has to help to bring the price back up. But for that to happen, we not only need CoinIn and the smaller exchanges and projects, we need big players like Binance, like KuCoin, and like other different players to act on these proposals. What do you guys think? Very, very exciting, information if you're a Terra Luna Classic holder. So don't forget to smash that beautiful like button. Thank you so much for watching. Take a look at all the links down below in the description. All free money, Crocoin, Bitcoin, and everything. If you're looking to get a lot of APY or so, I have everything right there for you. And if you want to join my Patreon page and Discord and talk to my community, join. I'm waiting for you. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.